Right guys, hello. Okay, so last lesson we looked at rectangles, and today we are looking at stars and polygons, okay, and this is what we're creating today. Something like that. Looks quite nice. So let's get going. File new. And immediately I'm going to save this. I'm going to save it as lesson 4. Okay, fine. Right, stars and polygons. Wait. Now maybe yours doesn't look like this. That's okay. Yeah, because it remembers your last colours, it remembers your last settings. If it doesn't look like this, doesn't matter. Let me turn on my keyboard caster. Okay, so one there, one there, one there, one there, Command C, Command V, one there. Okay, good. Right, let's align these. So I'll align them to the left. I'll distribute those evenly. I'll align those to the right. Wait, no, to the right. And I'll distribute those evenly. Then I'll work with the top ones. Align those at the top. Now, I need to be careful here. Okay, fine. Let's move that out of the way. Let's align these to the bottom. There we go. And now we can distribute these again. We can distribute these again. Which one was it? That one? Now I've selected everything. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. I'll put those up there. I'll put that back. Okay, something like that. Doesn't have to be exactly. If they're a bit bigger, doesn't matter. If they're a bit smaller, doesn't matter. If they're a different colour, doesn't matter. If the edges are not curved, doesn't matter. Okay, because we're going to change everything now. Yeah. So here, I'm going to select the first one. And then I'm going to click on my star and polygon tool. It's a star. I'm just going to have 3 corners. Here, 4 corners. Here, 5 corners. Here, 6 corners. Here, 7 corners. And here, 8 corners. Okay, easy. This one, the rounding, 0.0, no rounding. Here, rounding, 0.1. This rounding, 0.2. This rounding, 0.3, I'll leave that. This rounding, 0.4. This rounding, 0.5. Okay, fine. I want to make these a bit bigger. They're a bit small. So, I'm going to select all of them. I'm going to lock that. And then, can I do this? If I hold down Shift, can I resize them? No, I can't. Okay, so I'm going to resize each one individually. I'm going to make that 50. I'm going to make that 50. I'm going to make that 50. Make that 50. Make that 50. Okay, all right, a bit bigger, yes? Okay, so far so good. So this is not much of a star. We know it's a triangle. And this one looks like our favourite coronavirus. Right, so now let's go ahead and colour them. Right click, fill and stroke. And you can do these, guys, you can do these any colours you want. Okay, any colours you want. Yeah. I'll have a red border. There we go. Yeah. This one, I'm just going to have a gradient. I'm going to swap those over. That's okay. But I want to change on this one. I want to change the change the border, change the stroke. Looks nice. This one, What shall I have here? Ah, that's the stroke again. Okay, all right. Let's have a stroke. Okay. Let's blur this one a little bit. Let's fill it blue. There we go. That's okay. This one. What should we do with this one? A gradient fill. From purple to what? From purple to red. Yeah. And let's bring our alpha up. Well, that looks quite nice. Let's change the stroke. Oh, very nice, yeah. Any colours you want, guys, okay? Any colours you want. This one. Flip that. Again, that's the gradient, isn't it? That's the stroke. So let's have, so this is still the stroke, so this is the outline around the outside. So I'll have that blue. And then inside, maybe I'll just rotate this a little bit. Inside, well, I'll fill it. Fill it like that. Which colours? Some nice blues. Yes, okay. And the last one. Maybe for this one, maybe I'll have this, maybe I'll round this a little bit more. Take this all the way up. Yes, there we go. Yeah. Looks like something one of our science teachers would recognise. And this one, maybe I'll just have that black. Yeah, with a black stroke. Yeah, there we go, something like that. Very nice, that looks really cool. I like that. Okay, so we've got 6 stars and polygons. We've shaded them. I'll save that again. Okay. I also want to save it, yes. I want to save it as an SVG file as well. Just in case I want to edit it later. Yeah, so I've got an SVG file, and I should also have, yes, so here we go. Yes, I've got 2 copies. The PDF will go in my portfolio, and the SVG is what I can work on if I need to change things a little bit later. Good. Right, okay, let me just, one last thing, let me open my portfolio. Number 4, here we go, and just let me drag and drop that in. So, front cover, we've got that, we've got my rectangles, we've got my stars and polygons, no, very nice, and my back cover. I can go ahead and save that, and I can put that on Alma as well. Right, there we go, guys. Close that, close that. Don't need to save that. All right, see you next time.